Hello guys, welcome to my another video. In today's video, I'll talk about NeuronWriter Lifetime deal, and I will show how to get NeuronWriter Lifetime access. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and click on the notification bell icon. So without further delay, let's get started. NeuronWriter use semantic recommendation to boost your SEO and plan high-ranking content. It's only $69. That's for 383 review. So why are you late? Get lifetime access, 60-day money-back guarantee. Try it out 2 months to make sure it's right for you. Plan content optimized for search engine by researching keyword, analyze SEO and extracting high-ranking content. Use AI to write content for you. Get NLP recommendation and use tag management tool to prioritize your publishing. Best for blogger, copywriter, content agencies, marketing agencies, Google Search Console integrations. Best alternative to SurferSEO first. NeuronWriter is packed with AI-powered research and writing tool to help you plan content that rank high on Google. Then NeuronWriter help you research article in your niche quickly, so you can jump on fresh idea for content and get an edge over your competition. For each keyword and query, you can analyze SEO and extract content from high-ranking phrases. That's why you will be able to understand user intent and what work on Google, whether you are analyzed your own content on your competitors. Then optimize your website content so Google adores it. Advanced content editor with segmenting models, NLP, Google SEO analyzed and competition data. NeuronWriter helps you plan and optimize content with user intent in mind. So why are you late? It's only $69 and lifetime access. So don't miss this offer and go to how to use NeuronWriter.